The human brain is the most complex thing in the known universe. It's made up of trillions of interconnecting neural pathways, each of a different size and strength, much like the streets, avenues, and highways of our world. So neuroscientists need a way to navigate it, a kind of Google Maps for the brain. And we've found there's no cutting corners if we want to capture all that complexity. We've gone back to basics with good old paper and pencils. Our ideal approach is to take a brain, preserve it, and cut it into paper-thin slices just 1/4 millimeter thick. And then we photograph each one of those slices on a microscopic level. But getting hold of a whole, undamaged brain is difficult and sometimes not possible at all. So the alternative approach is to capture the same paper-thin slices from living brains on an MRI machine. The caveat is, it takes 12 hours in total, which is the same as all 3 extended editions of Lord of the Rings. Although it's split up into 6 2-hour sessions, it's still loud, disorienting, and claustrophobic. Then comes the hard work. We blow up and print out images of each slice at A1 size. Using tracing paper and soft pencils, our researchers painstakingly outline every significant structure they can see, before then cross-checking their results with the latest research and experts. Accurately tracing each slice can take weeks or even months, and with more than 600 slices in the human brain, we're talking about years of meticulous work. But the result is worth it. Our hand-drawn maps are more accurate than those produced with automated methods or even AI. The brain is so complex, you could say it takes another brain to study it. We now have 3D brain atlases, not just for humans, but for mice, rats, chicks, monkeys, echidna, and even platypuses. In compiling them, we've discovered completely new structures like the pea-sized endorestiform nucleus, which we think helps coordinate humans' dexterous hand movements. And in clinical settings, these detailed maps allow us to match specific parts of the brain to specific body functions and behaviors, which leads to better diagnoses, safer surgeries, and smarter treatments. We're now looking ahead to the next challenge, mapping children's brains. So little is known about how brains develop throughout childhood that any map at all is better than what currently exists. So we're cutting the scan time down from 12 hours to 20 minutes, the length of 3 Bluey episodes. We hope that these new maps will help lead to life-changing, earlier diagnosis and treatments for kids as we continue to tackle complexity with irreplaceable human effort.